one that's on top. Yeah, they put them on backwards.
I was gonna say.
I don't know why. Town guys don't put it over the tube because you can't get on that side.
We don't have a nut and a bolt for the shop.
Oh, I had one, and then it vibrated off.
Not him. Ray, he's the one that about killed Mike.
When did he do that?
Dude, we were pouring something and this dude.
No, that was me and Mike.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was a different guy though.
Was it? Yeah, you were there.
Yeah. That thing on the end saved my f***ing head. Hell yeah. I stink.
Huh?
So I stink.
You or me?
I just got a whiff of it.
Oh, you didn't put deodorant on today?
I don't think I did. I used Dove.
That's why.
I just didn't put it on today. It works.
Two. Okay. Oh, you ain't got that shit solved yet? Me? Hey, what you doing to pencil?
Nice hands, Steve.
Nice time.
What would you want me to do? It's gonna fall or it's gonna crack?